Hey guys, and it's all here. The Mate 30 Pro is coming against all the odds that have been stacked against Huawei. The flagship lives on along with other Mate devices. It's coming officially on September 19th. We've got full set of official images for the Mate 30 family, the Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30, Mate 30 Lite, and the Mate 30 RS Special Porsche edition. All thanks to the main leaker Evan Blass, we have the full look. And along with all of this, Huawei has been sharing a lot of trailers for the Mate 30 family, mainly regarding the video capabilities of this phone. So we're going to take a look at that as well. So first up, as you can see, the Mate 30 Pro is going to be the second phone on the market. This is a high quality 1440p AMOLED display, just pouring over the side, completely eliminating the side bezel. Guys, I have to be honest, it looks incredible. This is the eventual direction for smartphone designs. It's been said that Samsung is behind this tech, and most likely the next flagship phone from Samsung can also get this. According to Ice Universe, this is the direction for the future. Even Apple is looking into this. They're studying this, so most likely we could see a edge display iPhone in the future. And eventually from the waterfall screen, we will see surround screen design, where everything is just the screen, something we have seen in some concepts on YouTube. That will indeed be truly incredible. Again, how we tackle the accidental touch thingy is up for debate. So Mate 30 Pro is going ahead with the next generation of design. According to some case leaks, the Mate 30 Pro is even bigger than the Note 10 Plus. Here we have a case leak which has the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in it, so you can see the space on the top, which could make the Mate 30 Pro the biggest flagship of this year. With a waterfall screen, Huawei has also eliminated the chin, so it's very minimal. The notch has multiple cameras. The 3D sensor Face ID will be there as well, along with the in-display fingerprint scanner. With more cameras, I believe that it could have a wide-angle selfie feature along with depth sensor. I've seen some serious improvement when it comes to the front camera on Huawei phones, so this time the Mate 30 Pro could bring some real gains when it comes to selfies. As far as the back is concerned, we have the circular camera setup that has 4 cameras inside. This look is definitely better than what Google and Apple is doing, in my opinion, and it's also a smart move because it's going to differentiate this phone compared to those brother and sister phones that look very similar with that square camera bump. The non-Pro Mate 30 model comes with a smaller notch that has 2 cameras, a flat display, and a very minimal chin. It's going to have a lot of features common with the Mate 30 Pro, but some of the main awesome features will still be exclusive to the Pro model. There's also a Mate 30 Lite that comes with a punch hole design. This could be a LCD display with a punch hole screen, and it will be super budget version of the Mate 30 family. And other than these 3 phones, we're gonna see the Mate 30 RS Special Edition. This is going to be super expensive. It's probably gonna cost near $2,000. It could have 55 hours of fast charging, all that premium grade Huawei goodness with built-in 5G and all that stuff. Again, we'll see what extra features we'll get with this one compared to the Pro model. If you talk about the cameras, we've got 4 on the back, one main 40 megapixel sensor along with another main 40 megapixel cine lens sensor for video, and the rest is the zoom and the wide angle lens. This time Mate 30 Pro will bring some serious gains when it comes to video, with some insane low light video performance and with a professional grade look, as we have seen with these teasers that Huawei has been showing regarding the Mate 30 Pro family. It's also going to have a super slow-mo feature as well. We don't know how much frames per second will be there, but it's looking really nice in these teaser videos. All thanks to the Kirin 990 chip. It's been officially announced. It's the first chip to have the 16-core Lite GPU, so it's going to be super powerful when it comes to the graphical stuff. But I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought it's going to be based on the latest Cortex A77 cores from ARM, but instead it's actually based on the Cortex A76. Despite all of that, it's going to be an insanely powerful chip. It's especially the GPU. It's going to be one of the first chips to have the integrated 5G modem. It's also going to be based on the latest EUV 7nm process, making it more power efficient compared to the last gen chip. A quad-core NPU is inside as well, so AI stuff, especially the night mode, will be massively improved. The main leading feature of this processor is the real-time video noise reduction feature. With this feature and the Cine lens, the Mate 30 Pro could really become the best phone when it comes to videos. It's going to shoot some really crisp, low-light videos with less noise. Huawei has been bringing consistent innovations when it comes to camera games, so this is going to be something that I'm very excited about. Other features include a 4500 mAh battery, again for the Pro model, whereas the Mate 30 could rock 4300 mAh cell, 40 watts of fast charging out of the box. We don't know if 55 watts of fast charging is ready or it's just exclusive to the Mate RS. One thing you can expect is 40 watts of fast charging out of the box, which is more than what Samsung and Apple brings. So big up for Huawei for doing that. The wireless charging is said to be improved as well from 18 watts to 25 watts. That's faster than the charging speed that we get with iPhone 11 family out of the box. Along with all the phones, we're gonna get the new Watch GT2 as well, which I'm really excited about as well because I'm actually using the Watch GT for quite some time now. It is the best watch I've used when it comes to the battery life. It's insanely incredible. With Watch GT2, I expect more features while having that same battery life. Now, the big question is regarding the software. The Huawei Mate 30 family will not be using the Hongbang OS. Instead, they will come with Android 10.0 but without Google applications and Google services. Huawei will be bringing a workaround to download applications and having a replacement for the Google App Store with their own app store. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Will you buy the Mate 30 family even without the Google services? Let me know. So yeah, the Mate 30 family, including the Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30, Mate 30 RS, and Mate 30 Lite are coming on September the 19th. I'm really excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.